stand to the right side at the edge of your yoga mat. We are just going to start connecting with the ground, connecting with the environment. This exercise will teach you something. I want you to move around the edge of your yoga mat. One step at a time. You walk around your yoga mat. Walk around your yoga mat, just close and feel how it feels. Do you feel your feet? Do you feel your toes? Do you notice the mat and the ground? Be in touch of your feet. It's okay to fall and stand up. Life is about falling and getting up. When you were below, so keep moving around your yoga mat. Feel how it feels. Your eyes are just looking where you are moving. But now once you try to keep now your spine tall and long, maybe your eyes have set a vision. In life we have a vision. Know where we are heading to. And if you find maybe you are falling and you are missing where you are heading, it's okay to look down again and then build the connection with your feet and your yoga mat. Really how it feels. And now, when you find you mastered your path, you can now close your eyes. Challenge yourself. Step out of your comfort zone. Through the process, maybe you get confused. It's okay to get confused. You get confused many times. But the purpose is not just to stay there. Yeah? It's fun. It's confusing. Maybe you get scared. It's okay to get scared. Also, it's more important to work. Keep on moving around. Just like a 2 more now. And you continue to connect with yourself. It's okay again to open your eyes if you feel you want to open your eyes as well. The practice of yoga is about awareness, focusing on the present moment. Inhale, exhale, ha! Inhale, exhale, ha! Inhale, exhale, ha! Three more. Inhale, exhale, ha! Yes, inhale, exhale, ha! Last time, inhale, exhale, ha! You relax your hands to the side, you close your eyes again, and you feel how your body feels. Where do you feel the energy moving the most? It might be in your arms or just in your chest area. The chest area is the reservoir of love, emotion. Now feel how you feel. And then from there, we are just going to add on, we are just going to add on another kind of arm. We are just trying to do a warm-up. And let your head relax. And now step by step, inch by inch, I want you to lower your spine, move up. Lower your spine inch by inch, inch by inch, inch by inch. And then warm up. How do you feel? We are just going to go through the process just of going to the body, connecting your process. Then you support. They never know what's going on. But what you can do is when you have the space to stretch the way. Now you're just going to walk on your lower. You bring the hands like this. Inhale, open. Next step, make the feet on the side. Inhale, open. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale, open. Exhale. After contraction, we relax. And we get that in our daily life. Okay? We move through the seasons. The seasons of joy, seasons of sadness, seasons of life. Season of gaining and season of losing. It is a part of life. Then you switch direction. Wonderful. Now you relax. You're just going to work on our shoulders. Inhale, you lift up the shoulders up. Exhale, drop and say, ha. You release all the way. Inhale up. Exhale, drop. Ha. Inhale up. Exhale, drop. Ha. Inhale up. Drop. Ha. Inhale up. That's right. Lower and bend forward. Lower and lower and. And now you can reverse. You can reverse. You can reverse. You can reverse. Bring now your arms to the front of your chest. Inhale, you open your chest to look up. As you exhale, you contract your upper back and you bring the arms together. Inhale, you open your chest, look up. Exhale, contract your upper back. Inhale, open. Exhale, contract. Inhale, open. Exhale, contract. Inhale, last time, open. Exhale, contract. Inhale, move. Exhale. Last time, move. Exhale, now you relax. You separate your feet. You are just now going to exhale, you come up and you push your arms behind this way. Inhale, pause. Exhale, push the arms behind. Inhale, pause. Exhale, push your arms behind. Feel your grounded down. Inhale again, pause. Exhale, you push your arms behind. Last time, now we stay here at least 3 breaths. Let's see. Inhale, stay. Exhale. Try, inhale. Exhale. Feel you are squatting down, inhale. Exhale. One more, inhale. Exhale, wonderful. Now come out. Now, from here we bring both feet together. We are just going to do a kind of a variation of sun salutation. Exhale again, bow further to relax your head to knees. Inhale together, we reach our hands up to the sky. Exhale, relax both hands to the center of our heart. Let's repeat this move, both hands to the center of your heart. Inhale again, we reach our hands up. You try to bend back further. Exhale, you move forward, slow down, gently, relax your hands. Inhale, you flatten your hands with your shins, you flatten your back. Exhale, relax your hands to knees. Inhale, you reach your hands up to the sky. Exhale, relax both hands to the center of your heart. Now one more time. Inhale, let's go together. Bend back. Exhale, try. Bow for the relax your hands to knees. Wonderful. Now your eyes sit on the middle finger of the head. Inhale, it's a single finger. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale, two. Exhale. Inhale, three. Exhale. Inhale, now come up. Exhale, stretch your legs. Inhale, push your knee forward. Exhale, stretch back. Inhale, stretch forward together. Exhale, stretch back. Last time, stretch forward. Exhale, back. Body to your back. And stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, free. Now you bend your left arm, left. Extend your right arm over. Exhale. Inhale, now come up. Exhale, now you stay down for 3 breaths. Inhale 1, exhale. Inhale 2, exhale. Inhale 3, exhale. Wonderful. Now bring your hands down, and together we slightly move the legs behind and see if we can come to our core, okay? I know push-ups is very hard. We don't do it, right? So we are just going to do what we call locust pose. People can do this one. The first one is with your arms closer to your under shoulders. Yeah? Then you bring the arms closer, you do what I call baby cobra. You lift up like this, breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, stay there. Exhale, really squeeze your spine and lengthen it. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now relax to one side of your head. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay. Inhale, you reach arm up, then you make a twist. Breathe in, you twist, you look behind, up. Breathe in, stay there. Breathe out. Inhale. Now move your legs left and right. Left and right. Ready to massage your lower back. And your head is also moving in different directions. Be successful. May I be free. Now breathe in into your heart. And breathe that you're like blowing the candle, sending the blessing to anyone close to your heart. Breathe in again. And blow the candle to your mouth. Inhale again. Exhale, blow the candle. Now open your heart, open your arms, open your chest, breathe in. Exhale, hug yourself, and speak silently with your heart. I love myself.
Some people think that yoga is something difficult, that it is professional, like it is teachers. No, like you can simply practice yoga like at home. Like I myself, I practice yoga every day. 15-20 minutes, and it gives you such relief, it gives you such like wonderful start of the day, and it's as you mentioned, it's good for our spirituality, and it's also good for our physical fitness. So that's only my comment. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Anyone else? Not us. They are the tools that are coming to us, having a certain message for something maybe we can work on. So you acknowledge them, but you let them be and let them go. So that's maybe the comment I would give. But in the group, there might be another person maybe who may support me to answer your question.
I just want to say I appreciate this practice. And when we first started and you said, you know, we were going to be simple, I was kind of like, because I do try to practice yoga, but I appreciate it because it reminded me of the beauty and the value and the worth in being simple. And I noticed some of the things you took us through, and I know the other names for them, and I appreciate just the simplicity of it. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate. I may say I've been an onlooker, and whatever has been happening is so beautiful. I've loved so much that moment of silence. The moment of silence really takes us back to meditating on how we were when we were still little, what we went through, and how to forgive yourself, to forgive others. I really loved that so much, and I saw it was so much touching. Thank you so very much.